You don't care. You need to get you a GoPro, bro.
Fuck all that, dude. I don't want people watching me not catch fish.
Yeah, that's why you don't post those videos. Might need to move around a little bit. That point over there is looking a lot better, actually. But
It's good from afar, but far from good.
that shows you how good that ATT camp is, dude, down there in Florida. Breed monsters out of that camp, dude.
As far back as I've listened to, or like watched them in there, I've always heard that topic.
Yeah, dude. Him and Trevor Whitman.
I don't think I want any more fucking kids.
Was she on the pill?
No, she got the IED.
Oh. Landmine. And it's a left-hand turn, and like the lane, there'll be arrows that say turn left. You know what I mean? You got it. Yeah. All right. Here. Got one.
Oh, you got a fish, dude. It's a big one. God, dude, let me hold you back. God, you just fall in, dude. Holy shit.
It's huge.
Oh, dude, we're going to have to back the truck up to get this. Holy shit, dude. He's going to bring it. We're going to have to get the truck. God damn, dude. He's pulling them in.
He's coming.
God, you're going to have to get your feet wet on this one, boy.
Yeah, I got my waders on.
Gotta get your worm out there, boy. Nah, he's a nice one, dude. Real dark cutty.
Is it? Is it a bow?
It looks like it.
I think it's a rainbow.
Yeah, she's bow there.
Yep. It's a rainbow. It's a keeper.
She's bow. She's fatty.
Oh no, it's a cut. Never mind. It's not a keeper. Dang it.
Yeah, it's a catfish.
Shoot.
Oh.
It's a good one. It's not a keeper though. I hear that, brother. Dude, have you ever watched some of like the old Randy Savage fucking interviews with Mean Gene?
I don't know.
Dude, they are next level. Like that guy. Dude, he's like all on roids and cocaine and he's just amped, dude. He's like, oh, brother, you don't even know what you got yourself into. And he's just fucking... Dude, he's like, you're just a grain of sand in the desert, boy, and I'm the whole desert, and I'm gonna consume you. It's like the shit talking is next level.
Especially like...
Very on fire.
Oh, dude, I'm literally getting bit right now.
Alright, we'll see you in a sec.
Alright, bye. Holy shit. He's good luck to be on the
This is
phone.
my pole.
Come on, bro. Cornella.
God damn, dude. These fish are aggressive.
For power bait, huh?
Yeah.
Got him.
God, he's big. God, you don't fuck.
You don't feel all too big.
Fuck, leave him on the hook.
Just cast
Back
him
out there.
Yes, sir.
There you go, dude. Big old walk.
It's a rainbow.
There you go, he's up.
Damn, I hate how they swallow.
I've got one of them little red deals.
Do they work? I've never used one of those.
Yeah, they work.
Here, you'll have to show me.
Yeah.
Shit.
Eventually I was like, alright, well, best of luck to you.
Good
Get
night.
some sleep. My wife's like, so do I, goddammit.
That sucks.
I was like, yeah, I know.
I should probably eat something.
I ate some nuts this morning.
Did you?
Yeah.
Who's lucky, dude?
Yeah. Stashy hose?
Got them honey roasted.
Those are good.
They really are, dude. They smack.
No cap.
Oh God.
We're cool.
Dude, I don't know about it.
Yeah, cool. Your kids don't even play Roblox. Do they?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They do.
I play Roblox. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting bit.
No fucking way.
Give me some of that corn yet.
I was waiting for that. Got him that time.
Damn, dude. Fuck.
Hold me back.
Dude, what?
Hold up. That's a big one.
That's a big one, dude.
You're like,
What?
it's
How?
I can see your bait right there, so.
Dude, I'm casting out right there next.
Come on, Cornell.
It crosses my line, dude.
It's
my
your
fault.
fish,
That's
yeah.
a good sized fish.
It does look pretty good, huh?
Big one.
I'm just waiting for mine.
Closer to the bank. Don't get excited.
Don't lose them.
Lost him.
Oh,
Oh, no,
you-
I thought I
Oh,
lost
I
him.
thought you did too, dude.
Give me some of that Cornell.
Give me that.
I'm telling you, dude, if you have yellow power bait, try it.
I got some fun with it.
Dang, that's a good one, dude.
Now he's fighting it the whole way in.
Yeah, they usually don't do that. Cutthroat, anyway.
Look at that. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Think he's a slot buster? Doubt it.
There you go. Big old whopper. Yeah, damn.
You gotta get it.
Getting over here.
Thumbnail?
Oh, god damn.
You getting a thumbnail or whatever?
Whoa! There you go. That was a bad release, but he's okay. Hold on.
No.
Colton's been out here doing the damn thing. Is that a fish?
That's a fish, bro.
Man.
Thanks for your corn yellow.
Come on, buddy. Now you know how I feel. This is disgusting.
I told you, it doesn't matter time, buddy.
I don't want to watch this, he says.
Not power steering is worse than
Oh shit.
about it.
Dang, that's a good one too, huh?
Yeah.
Don't cross my line.
Just don't want to lose him.
I'm just kidding. If you need to cross my line, go for it.
Yeah, we got that ass on him too.
Back that up.
As I back up.
Don't get excited now. You know.
Don't want to lose him.
Whoop his ass.
Could be a bow.
I'd be so badass.
Big bow.
Big old fat bow. You ain't got a fucking restriction on.
Oh, I know.
I ain't got that
It's a
fucking
cut.
teeth, dude. Yeah, it's a duck, dude. Throw him back.
This is worth the drive.
That's a good one, though.
Now let your line out. Reel him in twice, dude. Make it worth it.
Right?
Yeah. Nice. That's a big one, dude.
It's a fat boy.
Oh, you got it there. You got that red? Whatever that is. He wants a picture, dude.
That's so funny.
He's like, I gave this guy a hard time.
Oh.
Hell yeah. That's why I bring him. Nice. Sick, dude. Come on, Colton.
Come on, Colton.
Come on, Colton. Get you some.
Get a picture.
Like, how far would you go out there?
I would go out to where it's deeper.
Nice.
Oh.
Was that the one you just casted out? Oh,
About time.
what's that one? What you got on that one?
Rainbow?
It might be rainbow, it might be yellow. I don't think you got any weight to them though. Got a little fighting bass, but
That's a good one, dude. What are you talking about? No, I guess it's okay, huh? Cutthroat? Oh, it is a bow. Yeah. Cool, man.
what are the defining characteristics of a bow?
It is a bow, 100%.
Keeping it?
Yeah. He's keeping it.
Keeping it.
What? We're throwing him on a stringer. Atta babe. Know how to use one of those?
Yeah,
Alright, we just moved across the bay here, so hopefully we have a little bit of protection from the wind, plus hopefully obviously the fish are biting over here. Got a fish? Nice, dude. Was it on the power bait? Sweet, dude. That's a big.
Yeah, she's got it. I hope it's a slot breaker. Oh, hell, he's small.
Heck yeah. Another bow?
Is that? No way. That is a bow.
Wow.
Dude. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
I thought he would be bigger without the pole was doubling over.
I got one.
You got a big one too now, huh? Just waiting for mine. Dude. That's awesome. Yeah, when I saw that cow come up, big old fat bastard,
It's another big bow, dude. Yeah, we're slaying, dude.
You got another big bow?
Yeah, not as big as his, but dang, dude. Wow. Oh, look, he's barely hooked too. Corn yellow.
Damn, dude.
All right. All right, let's try.
Back bow.
Thanks, man. Can you just put it in my back pocket there?
Usually, like, when I come out here, that's all I catch.
Oh, yeah.
Got one? Nice, Tanner. You feel good?
It's hard to tell.
Nice. You're the one that needed another fish, too.
Right?
Damn, did you see that lightning? We gotta get the hell out of here. Nice. Another bow. It's a little guy, though. If you can get him off, that's great. I don't want it. Throw it back. That's too tiny. He's alright.
I guess I'm gonna get a snack.
Do you have another bag we can throw the fillets on?
Yeah.